Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. So far I have created many videos for Oracle real-time scenarios, Oracle interview question and answer, and also Oracle basic tutorials. I have created videos for Informatica transformation and Informatica that architecture and concepts. And also I have created video for data warehousing basic concepts. Just go through all these videos, okay, once or twice, and kindly share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today we are going to see Oracle interview questions and answers. These are all the question and answer asked in the year 2022 by various companies. Okay. First, we are going to see the difference between count of asterisk versus count of expression. After that, we will see about the difference between SQL and PL/SQL and about the analyze command. Okay. First, we will see the difference about the difference between the count of asterisk and the count of expression. Expression is nothing but the column name in the table. Okay. Count of asterisk. I will show an example so that you can easily understand it. I'm going to take the example, the EMP table. Here I am just using count of asterisk. It shows around 15 records in the EMP table. Okay. And let I show all the records once so that you can go through that. These are all the records that is available in the EMP table. Okay. Current around 15 records. And I am going to use the count of expression. Okay. That means column name. Here, if you see the record number 15, there is one employee name called Smith is there. But for him, hire date is null. That means hire date has not been entered. So let me will try by using the column hire date. Here I have given count of hire date from EMP. The total number of records it shows only 14. That count of asterisk showed 15. So I will tell the difference now. Here, count of asterisk, it returns a number of rows in the table, including duplicate rows and rows containing null values. That means it will include duplicate rows and null values. In count of expression, it returns a number of non-null values in the column identified by expression. That means it never takes null and duplicate rows. Okay, it never takes null actually. No, don't bother about the duplicate. It never takes the null, non-null values. That means it will take only the column that contains the values. Null means it will ignore it. So that is the difference between the count of asterisk and the count of expression. Expression is nothing but name in the column name in the table. Okay. Now we will see the difference between SQL and PL/SQL. SQL is a declarative language, and PL/SQL. Just I'm going to tell about the 5 differences. A lot of differences are available in the net. You can Google and you can see some more differences. It's a declarative language, SQL. PL/SQL is the procedural language. Procedural language slash SQL. That is the name of the PL/SQL. Okay. This is structured query language for the database. This is the programming language using the SQL for the database. Which one? PL/SQL. And everybody knows that SQL has no loop, for loop, while loop, and control structures, etc. If control, etc. But PL/SQL contains all these things. If you have studied some basics of PL/SQL, you can go through this. For loop, while loop, if control structures, everything is available. SQL can execute a single operation at a time, but here the PL/SQL can perform multiple operations at a time. SQL has no variable, and PL/SQL has variables and data type. These are all the important differences I have found out. You can go through the net so that you can get a lot of information about the SQL and differences between the SQL and PL/SQL. Now I am going to explain about the analyze command. The analyze command is used to obtain the faster and better statistics. That means collect or delete the statistics about the table or index or partition, okay, or index organized table, cluster, etc. Okay. Then optimizer used to determine the most optimal access plans to efficiently process our query. Why we need to generate the better statistics means we can that execute the query in proper way. Just like that, if we write the query and execute it, it will take more time. For example, if you are going to particular place means you have to use the proper route map. That means which is the shortcut so that we can go to that particular place very quickly. Likewise, here how to execute the queries very quickly means we have to do some analysis. Based on the statistics, we will select the short route. That means proper that optimized query so that we can get the data very quickly. The process will be done very quickly. I'm going to show one simple example. Based on that, you can easily understand it. If we want to study extensively about analyze, you can refer to the Oracle manual that is available in the net. You can download the manual and you can go through the analyze command so that you can learn a lot of things. Okay, first I'm going to show the example. Yeah, I am giving analyze table EMP2 compute statistics. What it shows, table EMP2 analyzed, where we can see that statistics. There is one table available called DBA tab statistics. From that we can see the statistics. Here it shows some statistics. We have to select it from the DBA underscore tab statistics. Okay. And table name is equal to EMP2. Okay. Then it will show the statistics for the particular table. I think you are able to see now clearly. Select star from DBA underscore tab statistics where table name is equal to EMP2. Here you can get the details. Who is the owner, partition name. See here it is only learning environment. I am not having that much data, but in the real time environment you will be having huge data, and the table will also be the structure will also be huge one, and the data will be voluminous one. Okay, so that if you do any analysis, it will show the results in this table. So that based on that, we can do the analysis. Here the object type is there. Okay. See, it shows the free list blocks, num free list, and also here the row chain concepts will be there. The last analyze is 3rd May, global stats. Then user stats. Likewise, you have to see the statistics. Here, the volume of the data is low. We cannot get the statistics properly. Okay, if it is a real-time environment, we can get the exact statistics. We want to know that analyze command thoroughly means we want to do some extensive study. We can go through the manual. Okay. So far, we have seen about 3 questions and answers. These are all very simple only, but these questions were asked very often in the technical interviews. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.